Hello everyone, welcome back, and you are watching my YouTube channel Technical World. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to reset Apple ID password if you forget it. So without wasting any time, let's get started, and before start please don't forget to subscribe. On first step, we have to try to sign out from Apple ID. First on settings, tap on your profile name and tap sign out. Now put wrong password and tap turn off. Verification failed, tap OK. Put again wrong password, tap turn off. Now we have to tap on reset password. Here we have to put iPhone passcode and put new Apple ID password and tap next and done. That's it. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful, so please don't forget to subscribe, like and share with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.